The law of one is rich in wisdom that can elevate entrepreneurial thinking and leadership practices. Exploring these concepts more deeply, we uncover nuanced ways to integrate them into business and personal growth. In this exploration, we'll expand on the foundational principles and show how they manifest in leadership, team management, and the broader entrepreneurial journey. One, unity and interconnectedness see the bigger picture. At its core, the law of one teaches that everything is part of a unified whole. In the entrepreneurial world, this means recognizing that your business does not exist in isolation. It is deeply connected to your team, customers, community, and even the environment. Specifically, in terms of systems thinking, entrepreneurs who embrace unity consider how every decision impacts the broader ecosystem. For example, cutting costs by underpaying employees may boost short-term profits, but harm morale, productivity, and long-term growth. Conversely, investing in employee development benefits individuals, the company, and its reputation in the market. Considering holistic success, success is not just about financial metrics, but also about relationships, impact, and alignment with values. A business thriving financially but harming the environment or exploiting workers is out of balance with the principle of unity. Begin to live this principle as an entrepreneurial practice. View your company as a living organism where each part, team, product, culture contributes to the whole. Regularly assess the health of each component and ensure harmony. Build partnerships that align with your values and contribute to shared success. 2, polarity, choosing service to others over service to self. The law of one emphasizes a key decision. Will you orient yourself towards service to others, positive polarity, or service to self, negative polarity? This choice defines your path and its ripple effects and impact in every action that you take. Service to others. In business, this means prioritizing creating value for customers, employees, and society. This doesn't mean ignoring profit, but viewing it as a byproduct of meaningful service that makes a positive impact on the world. Service to self. While self-serving businesses may achieve short-term gains, they risk alienating stakeholders, damaging reputations, and losing touch with their mission. Balanced polarity. Entrepreneurs must also ensure their own needs are met. Burnout or financial instability will undermine service to others. The key is balance, serving others while maintaining self-care. Living this principle as an entrepreneurial practice, develop products or services that solve real problems and improve lives, make decisions through the lens of long-term benefit for all parties, not just immediate financial gain. Use customer feedback to refine offerings and create deeper connections with your audience. Third, catalysts, transforming challenges into opportunities. The law of one teaches that challenges or catalysts are designed to stimulate growth and evolution. In business, challenges are inevitable. What sets great leaders apart is how they respond. Perspective shift. Instead of viewing problems as roadblocks, see them as opportunities to learn, adapt, and innovate. For example, a competitor entering your market might seem threatening, but could also push you to improve your offering and refine your unique value proposition. Emotional growth. Challenges in leadership often trigger emotions like frustration or fear. These emotions are opportunities to develop emotional intelligence, learning to respond with clarity rather than react impulsively. Team dynamics. Conflict within teams can be a powerful catalyst for growth if approached constructively. Encouraging open dialogue and healthy conflict resolution fosters innovation and trust. Live this principle as an entrepreneurial practice. Adopt a growth mindset that frames every setback as a step toward improvement. Share your experiences with your team, showing vulnerability and the lessons you've learned. Create a culture where experimentation is encouraged and failures are reframed as learning opportunities. For free will, empowering others through autonomy. The law of one emphasizes the importance of respecting free will, allowing others to make their own choices and learn from their experiences. In leadership, this translates to empowering your team, avoiding micromanagement, and fostering an environment of trust leadership style. Leaders who respect free will avoid authoritarian tactics and instead inspire their teams to take initiative. They provide guidance but trust their employees to make decisions within their roles. Creativity and innovation. Employees thrive when they feel trusted and valued. Autonomy fosters creativity, innovation, and a sense of ownership. Respecting customers. Just as leaders must respect their team's autonomy, businesses must respect their customers' choices. Avoid manipulative marketing and instead focus on building authentic relationships. Living this principle as an entrepreneurial practice, delegate meaningful responsibilities to your team and trust them to deliver. Encourage open communication where employees feel safe sharing ideas and concerns. Approach customer interactions with honesty and transparency, respecting their ability to make informed decisions. 5, or conscious evolution, aligning personal growth with business success. The law of one views life as a journey of conscious evolution where each experience contributes to our growth. For entrepreneurs, this means aligning personal development with business goals. Self-awareness. Great leadership begins with self-awareness. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and values allows you to lead authentically and effectively. Vision and purpose. Conscious leaders align their businesses with a higher purpose. This creates a sense of meaning and inspires both employees and customers. Continuous learning. Growth requires constant learning about your industry, your team, and yourself. Stagnation, both personal and professional, is a barrier to success. Living this principle as an entrepreneurial practice. Dedicate time for personal reflection, journaling, or meditation to gain clarity on your goals and challenges. Align your business strategy with your values and a larger mission. For example, if sustainability is important to you, integrate it into your operations and marketing. Invest in professional development, such as leadership training or workshops on emotional intelligence, key takeaways, and practical actions to solidify your understanding of these principles. Here's a summary of takeaways and practical applications. 1, unity and interconnectedness. Map out your business ecosystem, identifying how decisions in one area impact others. Use systems thinking to anticipate long-term consequences of your actions. Second, service to others. Conduct regular customer interviews to understand their evolving needs. Set key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure impact, not just revenue. 3, embracing challenges. After significant challenges, write down 3 lessons learned and how you can apply them moving forward. Create a team culture where mistakes are openly discussed and celebrated as learning opportunities. 4, empowering free will. Develop clear guidelines for roles and responsibilities to empower your team without micromanagement. Practice active listening in team meetings to understand and support diverse perspectives. 5, conscious evolution. Schedule regular retreats or workshops for team bonding and personal growth. Set quarterly goals for personal and business development, ensuring alignment with your mission. Practical tools to integrate these concepts. Daily rituals for grounded leadership. Morning meditation. Begin each day with mindfulness to set a centered tone for your leadership. Gratitude practice. Reflect on what's going well in your business, reinforcing an abundance mindset. Weekly practices for team connection, team alignment meetings. Hold weekly sessions to align on priorities and share wins and challenges. Personal reflection. Dedicate 30 minutes each week to review how your actions align with your values and goals. long-term practices for sustainable growth, vision check-ins, revisit your company's vision quarterly to ensure your strategies and actions align, community impact projects, engage in initiatives that give back to your community, reinforcing a service-oriented mission. Conclusion, becoming a conscious entrepreneur. By embracing the law of one, entrepreneurs can evolve into conscious leaders who create thriving, purpose-driven businesses. These principles remind us that success is not just about profit, but about connection, growth, and service. Challenges become opportunities, teams become empowered, and businesses become vehicles for positive change. As you navigate the inevitable roller coaster of entrepreneurship, remember, you are not just building a company, you are contributing to the interconnected tapestry of life that allows individuals opportunities for their own growth and evolution. Approach each decision, relationship, and challenge with intention, and you will create a legacy that transcends the bottom line.